Good morning, class 10. We have already started exercise 21B in our last class. And we have done till question number 3. No, 1, 3. Third question of question number 1. Now we'll start from question number 4. Tan A plus 1 by cos A whole square plus tan A minus 1 by cos A whole square is equal to 2, 1 plus sine square A divided by 1 minus sine square A. You have to prove this, okay? You have to solve this left hand side and your answer must be this right hand side. First you copy left hand side. After that, here on the right hand side we have only sine. So we'll convert this tan into sine upon cos. In place of tan, we'll write sine upon cos. In place of this tan also sine upon cos. So from here we will take out LCM. LCM is cos A. So sine A plus 1 whole square. Plus here again cos A sine A minus 1 divided by cos A whole square. Now here we will use formula. Okay, and the formula of A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. And here it will be cos square A. Here we will use formula of A minus B whole square. And here it will be cos square A. So after using formula, we'll get this line. Now again we will take LCM. LCM is cos square A. So sine square A plus 2 sine A plus 1 square is 1 plus sine square A minus 2 sine A plus 1. So cancel this 2 sine A, 2 sine A. Sine square A plus sine square A, 2 sine square A plus 1, 2. Take out 2 common from the numerator. But on the right hand side we have sine. Okay, we don't have cos. So in place of this cos we can write 1 minus sine square A. So this is our right hand side proved. Next is question number 5. 2 sine square A plus cos to the power 4A is equal to 1 plus sine to the power 4A. First you copy question. After that, what we have to do is we have to convert this cos into sine, but we don't have formula for power 4. Okay, this first term will remain same. This second one we will write cos square A whole square. Now we can replace this cos square A by sine square A. We know cos square A is 1 minus sine square A whole square. Okay, so this first term will remain same. Here we will use formula of A minus B whole square. So formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. 2 sine square A plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 sine square A plus sine 2 2s are 4 sine to the power 4A. 2 sine square A, 2 sine square A cancel. Answer is 1 plus sine to the power 4A. This is right hand side proved. Now question number 6. Sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B. You have to prove this left hand side is equal to 0. Copy left hand side. After that take LCM. LCM will be cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Here you have to multiply by sin A plus sin B, and here you have to multiply by cos A plus cos B. After that you'll get this line. Then A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square plus A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. Now what we will do is we have to get 0. Okay, answer is 0. So anyhow we have to get 0. First what you'll do, sin square A and cos square A you write together, sin square B and cos square B together. This denominator remains same. Now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. In place of that you write 1. Then for the second part, okay, what you do, you take out minus common. You take minus common. After that we'll get sin square B plus cos square B. Again this is 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So in place of this again 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 divided by anything is 0 proved. Now question number 7. Cosec A minus sin A sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. First you convert this into sin and cos. In place of cosec, you can write 1 by sine. In place of sec, you can write 1 by cos. After that, take LCM. Add your 1, then take LCM. LCM of sine A and 1 is sine A. So here you have to multiply by 1 and here you have to multiply by sine. So 1 minus sine into sine square A divided by sine A. Similarly, here add 1, then take LCM. LCM of cos A and 1 is cos A. 1 into 1, 1 minus cos A into cos A, cos square A. Now this is 1 minus sine square A, which is cos square A, and 1 minus cos square A is sine square A. You'll get this line. After that, this cos A and 1 power will cancel. This 1 power and sine A will cancel. So cos A into sine A. We did not get this right hand side. So what we will do now, we will solve right hand side again. Okay, we have to solve this right hand side also. So copy right hand side, then convert this tan into sine and cos. Cot, tan is sine upon cos, cot is cos upon sine. Then here you take LCM. LCM of cos A and sine A is cos A sine A. Multiply here by sine and here by cos. So sine square A plus cos square A, which is 1. So 1 divided by cos A sine A. Now this will be reciprocal. So 1 into cos A sine A by 1, which is cos A into sine A. This is our left hand side. So left hand side and right hand side are equal, proved. Question number 8. 1 plus tan A into tan B whole square plus tan A minus tan B whole square is equal to sec square A into sec square B. First copy left hand side. After that, you have to use formula of A plus B whole square. Here A minus B whole square. And formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. And here A square minus 2AB plus B square. Then 2 ones are 2, tan A, tan B plus tan square A, tan square B plus tan square A minus 2 tan A tan B plus tan square B. This 2 tan A tan B and 2 tan A tan B cancel since they have opposite sign. 1 plus tan square A tan square B plus tan square A plus tan square B. Now our right hand side is in term of sec. So we have to convert this tan into sec, and we know tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. So in place of tan square A, we will write sec square A minus 1. Here sec square B minus 1 plus here sec square A minus 1 plus sec square B minus 1. 1 plus you have to multiply sec square A into sec square B. Sec square A into minus 1 minus sec square A. Now minus 1 into sec square B minus sec square B minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus sec square A minus 1 plus sec square B minus 1. Now here sec square A minus sec square A and sec square A cancel. Sec square B cancel. After that, this minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 1 minus 1 cancel. So our answer is sec square A, sec square B, which is right hand side proved.